guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. This is
treadmill, money dance, do a stance on the treadmill, do a stand, ain't stop.
For today's video, we're simply going to be talking about how to make money as a teen, all that fun stuff. And this is great for 14 through 18 through 20 through. Let's start by fast food jobs. Jobs that aren't fast food. Let's start there first. Okay, so mainly there's a couple. So Walmart, Schnucks, I don't know what that is, but it's a place. PacSun, Rue 21, Charlotte Russe, Life Garden, or movie theaters. But the thing is, most of the places in the mall are now closing down, like Charlotte Russe, plenty of other stores. I just don't know them on top of my head. That's the only one I know. But they're pretty much closing down and moving online. So pretty much everyone is not going to have a job unless it's online, unless you create your own business. Barnes & Nobles, Best Buy, Claire's, CVS, JCPenney's, Sears, and GameStop, Hollister, Kohl's, TJ Maxx, Walgreens, and Whole Foods. Those are the ones that aren't fast food. So now we should work into fast food. So pretty much the basics. Most people have a Wendy's, a Burger King, a McDonald's, a Taco Bell. Move on to the next category. So there's an app called Teen Job, okay? It's a free mobile app designed specifically for employers looking to hire teenagers in their local community, and teenagers can use the app to see a list of jobs and volunteer opportunities in their local area. So I'll enter pictures and stuff of it. You don't have to have an official job if you don't want to, but you can also volunteer to have something on your resume, you know, in case you want to dip your foot in the water but don't want to get too wet, you know. So you have that app. So let's go for jobs for 16-year-olds. So I want to insert a picture because who wants to read it all? So let's go through. Checkers, Bottom Dollar, ShopRite, Kmart, Domino's, all the fast foods, Starbucks, Marshalls, Olive Garden, Foot Locker, all the Foot Lockers, BJ's, Panera Bread, and Dairy. A lot of jobs want to hire during the school year because the college kids are going back to school. So you need a job for the summer. So you might as well, during school, about May, June, start applying for jobs. This is tip for next year, just in case, or whenever this video comes out. Start applying May, June, July, August. If you want to work through the school year, you want to have a job for the summer. But most people have those fast jobs like Life Garden, Water Rice, all them little small jobs that's like, oh, they're going to close when the summer's over. And you know, you just need that fast money, that fast buck real quick. And some people, resumes aren't so broad or big. And it's like, how do I get a job if I have nothing on my resume? Volunteer. You can volunteer at animal shelters if you're 18. You can volunteer at daycares. You can work there if you're 18. You can volunteer at Goodwills, thrift shops, pretty much anywhere that accepts volunteers. But instead of going there in person, make a phone call and see, hey, do you accept volunteers, instead of taking your time, wasting your time, and going down there and having a face full of disappointment. No one wants disappointment. So next, we're going to do how to make money as a teen. Babysitting. Babysitting is a scary thing, you know, because like you're going to someone else's home watching their kids for money. But the thing is, babysitting, you get paid a lot if you do care.com, nanny something, Sitter City. It's a lot of babysitting websites that you can use. But you have to go into someone else's home and watch their kids for money, and you don't know what these people are like. You don't know what these people are capable of, because that. And I also read, when I was reading it, a specific woman, she had a job there and they paid her less or they paid her whatever they felt like, and she didn't know how to quit because she was enrolled into there. And that's the scary part about it. It's like, how do you quit working for these people? It's like, do you not show up, or what? Because once you are with that host family, that's your job until they fire you or whatever it may be on the website. Who knows? I don't know how to work. I don't babysit. So you can do, like, I suggest you don't do under the table because you don't get paid a lot. Waitress don't get paid a lot. Bartenders, they may get paid a lot, but not like a lot. Like, oh, this is something that, no. So you can also do lessons, piano lessons, violin lessons, singing lessons, anything. Volleyball, sports. You can teach a kid how to play a sport for money. Now, isn't that fun? You can do what you love and get paid for it. A lot of people want to do that. Most people just settle for less, in the fast food industry, and like, hey, I'll just take it. Me, I'm not gonna take it. You can also do sweat coin. I don't really believe in sweat coin. Everybody that's like on social media has it. Most people have it, and like when you just scrolling through, you see it, this ad randomly. I don't feel like that works. I feel like that's a how do I put it? A yearly challenge. Some of them you have to walk so far in order to get something, in order to reach something. You have to reach like $10, I think, in order to check out, and that's a lot of places. And let's just go there. Business attire. So you have your formal suits, dresses, slacks, and then you have your regular, casual, for you. But some jobs, depending on where you live, some jobs are like lenient on like what you wear, because like many jobs is like, oh, people come in suits, but you're obviously a teen. You're not going to literally go out of your way to buy a suit for a job that you may not get. So that's why I recommend a thrift store. Many people say, ew, nasty, yuck. Dry clean, washer machine, so many things to clean it. You can clean a suit. And if you don't want it anymore, you can re-thrift it, and you could get it for cheap. Instead of, for girls, you may want to wear like a little cardigan, little cute blouse, maybe skirt, but you don't want to feel uncomfortable. You want to be comfortable. You don't want to feel too out there, too open, too seen, if you know what I'm saying. Like, oh, begging for attention. You want to seem to yourself, comfortable, know what you're talking about. Don't say Do not say Practice in the mirror, practice talking to yourself, record yourself, maybe. And don't think about it too much. Remember, don't think about it too much. If you think about it too much, then you're going to be like, oh, what if I fail? What if I don't do good? You never know to try. You either get the job or don't. If you don't get the job, you can try again. You keep trying until you get the job. That's a good thing. So if they don't hire you, you can reapply. Maybe this year, maybe 2 days later, maybe whenever. Especially with Walmart, you can go through the system, apply, and if you don't get it, couple days, couple weeks, you can reapply. And they'll go through the process again. But the thing is, you'll always have the assessment. Some, you need assessments to know, hey, how are you thinking? What would you do in a situation type of thing. So, yeah. I don't know how long this video is going to be. So next we have Five Below. It seems like, hey, anybody can get in. Baskin Robbins, Kroger, Zaxby's, Chipotle. There's many Chipotles that you can work at. Many people work at the movie theaters. The movie theaters are all year round, but that's still scary too, because you're cleaning up. One, you have to clean up out there. A lot of people. You have to pay attention to a lot of people. You have to make sure you're safe. You feel safe yourself. Make sure the people that you're around are safe. And a lot of stuff. So I'm going to also have this picture on the screen. And what store hires it. So yeah, Old Navy hires at 16. Target hires at 16, and so does CVS. The thing is, with CVS, it's a long process just for your application to even get viewed. That's what a lot of jobs. It's like, oh, did I get it? Did I get it? Did I get it? Am I yet? Do a car wash. Many people have cars. Many people need their cars washed. And that's a lot of money. You can also become a pet walker. Or a maid. Or anything you want to be. You can become anything you want to be, to be honest. You can become sis. And when I say sis, I mean sis. You can become a tutor and get paid for it. Now, how fun is that? And you can also work at Six Flags if that's in your state. Most states don't have some of these places because they're weird. We're gonna go with weird. So yeah. Oh, sis. And we have it even for 13 roots. So if you're here, stay. So you can do chores. Who really wants to do chores? You can dog walk, car wash, pet feeding, and plant watering. There's a lot of people that need their plants taken care of. Plant sitting, sis. You can watch a plant for money. A plant. You know, greenery, scenery, cleanery, you know, all that jazz. For money. For money. And there was even this one that I seen, it was like dog walking, and it was like $90 an hour. I was like, sis, that ain't nothing. And you only have to walk the dog twice until they get there. So much money. But it's not never really about the money, it's about what you're doing with the money. For 14-year-olds, you have Publix, Kroger, Safeway, Six Flags, Brewster's, Theaters, and Chick-fil-A. I don't know what a Brewster's is. For 15-year-olds, you have Boston Market, Arby's, Dairy Queen, Ben & Jerry's, Pizza Hut, Winn-Dixie, Zaxby's, Hobby Lobby, and Hardee's. And for up 16 and up, you have basically 16 and up, you can work anywhere. Well, 18, you can really work anywhere. But I also have, you can also do online jobs like selling your clothes. There's a lot of apps. I would say there's a lot of apps that you could use to sell your clothes. Drop my phone. There's a lot of apps you could use to sell your clothes, make money, sell anything from games, TVs, phones, anything you don't use, clothes, and sell it for money. The thing is, shipping, packaging, all that stuff costs money. In order to make money, you have to have money. Cha-ching, cha-ching. And we're out. Peace out, Girl Scout.